Good morning. I'm walking the dogs, and they like to snuffle around in the leaves. Juniper likes to look for acorns, and then she chews them up. She rattles them around in her teeth, and then she bites into them. It's kind of cute. Cypress is more of a scent maven. She likes to find things that smell interesting and then sniff them. It's starting to feel a bit springtimey here. It is not freezing. The birds are chirping. The sun is out. The sky is blue. Can you see the blue of the sky? Whoa! We're out here just enjoying the weather and smelling things and flinging the leaves for things. And in my case, when I get to the top of the hill up here, I get a little bit of cell service. So sometimes I give my mom a call. I think it's a bit early today, so probably not right now, but maybe later in the day if we walk up here again. What are you doing, Cypress? Smell something interesting? Juniper has found some acorns. Would you look at that? The old two-dog walking problem. Oh, and they both decided to come around. How about that?